So here we are on the west side of Guelph, Drone Crescent, fusion home development, near new construction, a lot of single detached homes, but also some freehold townhomes, one of which I'm sure you will enjoy. So if you've had enough of living in that overcrowded apartment residence, or worse yet, in that condo with huge condo fees, I think this place here, 68 Drone, will prove to be just enough. So enough of the formal introductions, let's get right into it. Into this almost 1,700 square foot home with offset laid tile that opens up into this great gathering area that's open to the kitchen with the pewter appliance set, but also open to this great living area that looks over the private back 40, well, it's not 40 acres, but it's well more than 40 feet. Great for parties to spill out there. But there's also a ton of dining area over here, almost 13 feet. Feel free to add your harvest table if this isn't enough dining space. Now there's definitely enough room upstairs for the kids and your friends, with 2 large bedrooms that also share this main bath with real wood cabinetry and some really funky tile. Now in the master, if this isn't enough room for your wardrobe, you're worse than me. But this master also walks into its own private ensuite bath with soaker tub, also with this great shower, again with funky tile, and a perfect place for me to shave my legs. Actually, I know that's enough. And enough of going all the way down to the basement to do your laundry, it's right here. Single car garage, 2-piece bath, but enough of the features. Come and see this one for yourself. Watty, Chestnut Park.